In this video, let's learn how to remove our lock screen pattern visibility. You can see my mobile has added lock screen pattern. We can see the pattern visibility. Let's learn how to remove this pattern visibility. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and go to lock screen option. In here, click on secure lock settings option. After you want to draw your pattern. Now you can disable this make pattern visible option. Now let's check how it works. Now we cannot see pattern visibility on our lock screen. In this method you can remove your mobile lock screen pattern visibility.